everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you my Hatchimal collection. So we have Miss Fairy here joining us. So let's get started. So first, Hatchimals basically come in an egg, and I will be able to show you the bottom of the egg. So this is like the glittery bottom egg. They usually come in a whole egg and we gotta crack it up. So while cracking I broke it, and that's what. So here we have 3, and now comes the Hatchimals. So let's get started. So first Hatchimal, we have a cute adorable owl in a box. It has cute shiny silver wings, a tiny blue bow, and it's smiling. Nice. So we keep it next to this. Next we have a cute little duck who is holding a candy cane in the hand, and the hands are somehow glittery. And it's green. So even cooler. We put it next to the owl. Next we have a tiny bear who's holding a snowball. It's laughing, has 2 shiny wings. It's transparent blue. And the best thing about this is that the hat comes off. The cute adorable hat. It comes off and it goes back in. Pop. And it has like cute design around one eye. So we're gonna put this little Hatchimal next to the duck. Next will be even cuter. We have, I'm not sure what animal this is. It looks like a baby monkey? Nah, not sure. But the best thing about this is that it has this cute little blue car it's playing with, cute tiny wings, and a red Joker's hat. Cool. Now we put it next to the bear. So we got 4 Hatchimals so far. Right, Miss Fairy? Of course. Right. Well, so far the best one is the bear. Yeah. I like all so far. Next we have a cute little penguin. It's a gentleman. Well, somehow it's winking at us. It has a cute tiny green bow, as you can see here. And it has green eyes. Even better. We put it back. In the second row we have. Next comes I'm not sure what animal this is, but it looks cute. It looks like a tiny squirrel which has a blue big hat. It has 2 silver wings, and I don't know. It is adorable and laughing at us. So we put it on the back, right there. Next we have this adorable little dog. It's popping out of a gift box, and it's transparent. And the best thing here is it has glitters inside. Well, almost all of them do. Except for one, I think. Well, I'm not sure. Maybe the penguin doesn't have so much glitter. Look. Okay, moving on. We have an adorable moose. It's transparent yellow with glitter in it. It has a Christmas hat, a Santa Claus hat, and it has 2 wings. and it can sit even properly. Next, we have a tiny cat. It's a pink cat with 2 wings. It has a tiny snowman and it's glittery. We put it in the last row. I really wanted it to be in the first row, but the place is all taken. 3 more Hatchimals to go. So this is our 10th Hatchimal. So this one is transparent blue, transparent dark blue, since this one is like blue, dark blue, with 2 silver wings. Has a tiny gift box and maybe this is I don't know what animal it is. Please help me out with this one, guys. Okay, moving on to the 11th Hatchimal we have. This one is the adorablest. It looks like a bear again. It is winking at us. It's a baby bear because it is playing on a horse and it stands pretty well. So let's put it in the background. So now we have our last and final Hatchimal. The reindeer. This one is obviously my favorite because it is sitting so adorably and it is on a sleigh. We can attach these to the eggs. Well, not anymore because I broke them. And that's it. That's all the Hatchimals we've got. Isn't that right, Miss Fairy? Of course it is. It is adorable. So, which one is your favorite, Miss Fairy? Well, my favorite is... it's hard to choose. Which one? Well... I know, the baby bear sitting on a horse right there. I like it. And my favorite, guys, I already told you, the reindeer. So tell me which one is yours. That's it for today. Bye, guys. Please subscribe to my channel.